actually at a restaurant to eat. And this is a really cool restaurant because the food is going to like go down a spiral thing and you can pick it up there. And that's really cool. And then the drink will fall, like not fall, but like come down the spiral too. And then there's like, I'll show you it in a second, but there's like a little circular thing that you can like grab all your utensils and stuff. It's really cool. So this is the thing I was talking about, and see, there's cups, water, straws, salt and pepper, hot sauce, plates, bowls, silverware, kids silverware, and kids plates, and that is it. And so right here's the spiral thing, and it comes all the way through from over there. That right there moves all the way down there, and so the chef puts it on the circular thing, and then it travels up and over to our table, and then you just grab it from here, and there you go. And also, guys, you place your order on a iPad, and so you just come in and they seat you, and then they don't have to do anything. So that's really cool. Guys, let's open my ice cream now. Whoa, that's huge. Let's dig in. The strawberry tastes actually really good, and I usually don't like strawberry ice cream. It just tastes like frozen chocolate. Vanilla is definitely my favorite. It tastes really good. Yummy. Guys, I just woke up and I'm feeling tired. And I just packed, and now I'm just going to brush my teeth, get ready, get breakfast, all of that kind of stuff. And then all ready to go to breakfast after I do my hair and clean up my pajamas. Let's go. So guys, we're currently waiting at the airport for our first flight to Seattle, and then we'll be flying to that place and then to our hometown, and then we are at my pretty much 1 hour away from my house, and I'm just waiting at the waiting area, whatever you want to call it. And last time the entertainment did not work, so I hope this time the entertainment will work, because I didn't get to watch any movies or play any games on their screen, and so that was really annoying. But I hope today works to go through all three flights. And yeah, it's probably gonna take around 10 hours for a whole thingy, and then we have to get on and off the plane 3 times. Yeah, 3 times. And yeah, if you haven't seen my outfit, this is my outfit. It's really comfy because it's like huge right here, you know. No more comfy shoes, all that comfy stuff. My mom almost made me wear jeans. I was like, Mom, it's supposed to be comfy in the airplane. She's like, she can still wear jeans, and I'm like, nah. So now I'm just gonna hang out, draw maybe, do that kind of stuff. Do handshakes, sleep maybe. Not really. I just got, the jet lag wasn't that bad last night, and now we're leaving. I'm seriously? But yeah, just hang out at the airport waiting station. Orange.